So I just wanted to do a video to basically mention and celebrate and actually just mention that we did hit a major milestone in the channel, and I hit 1,000. It's crazy exciting and humbling and surprising. I actually started my first 3D printer video on YouTube September 30th. And now, 6 months later, we just hit 1,000. Not earth-shattering by any means, but considering that it's just some 3D printing type videos, it's been awesome. And the community's great. The followers and the people, the comments, all fabulous. There's been only a few that came in that nobody really wanted to see or hear from. But for the most part, it's been a good, really, really good experience. And I just wanted to explain just a little bit. I think most of you all probably know that when this all started, it was simply a matter of trying to connect with my daughter, who is in the military over in Japan, and she wanted to get into 3D printing. And she was home on leave and decided to buy a 3D printer, and she wanted to put it together. And she ended up getting a Tronxy X1. And then, because it was a really good price at the time, I think it was like 120 bucks, I decided to get one as well, and that we could kind of put them together and both have the same kind of printer, and I could help her out. Well, she had some issues with the military not wanting to let her print, but I ended up doing my build videos really specifically to help her. It wasn't really for anybody else. And then it just kind of got some views and a lot of comments, and people asked for things, and it just kind of grew. I never really intended, honestly, to do a YouTube channel. I know this sounds weird, especially I'm looking around now and I've got microphones and GoPros and cameras and web streaming and other tripods. I mean, all this stuff, but it wasn't intended. It's fun. I really, really enjoy it, and you all are a great group of people. And it'll be interesting to see where this all goes. It's kind of crazy. I never would have even thought we would have got here. So I just wanted to make sure that I said something and that it was greatly appreciated. We actually hit it Saturday, but I just, with the weekend and trying to do a bunch of other things and videos I was trying to get out, I wanted to stabilize and see kind of where we were at. And as you can see, we're, total visits now is 113,500 people that have looked at videos, and there's 1,009 of us now. And I do say us because it's our channel. So anyways, kind of a little sneak peek. I've avoided, as you all have noticed up to this point, I've avoided giveaways. I think a lot of the times the giveaways tend to get just people here that are wanting something, and they'll either just cause problems or end up just quitting as soon as they don't win. So I've avoided them up to this point, but hitting 1,000, I just wanted to do something. So I did reach out to a handful of different companies, and so far Matter Hackers and Magigoo have replied and are happy to support, and we're going to have a little bit of a giveaway. I'm thinking it's going to still be a week or two, because I'm hoping to get a little bit more contact with some other people to see if I can get the pie sweetened a little bit for you all. I really wish there was a way I could do it where it was just this closed group, but we all want to grow, so it's going to be the typical Gleam type giveaway. And again, like I said, maybe 1 to 2 weeks. We're going to be above 1,000, but I'm hoping it'll be worth the wait. So anyways, I just wanted to let you all know that I truly, truly appreciate it. It's been fun. I appreciate the putting up with me. And hopefully I'll be able to keep doing it for you all. If you have ideas, let me know. And remember, of course, subscribe. If you don't already, hit the bell so you hear it coming. And like and dislike accordingly. And make sure you let me know either which way, so we can keep the comments going in as well. And yeah, again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I truly, truly appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.